Chapter 22. The Temperate Grasslands. Grasslands are the vast stretches of land covered mainly with tall grasses. There are certain regions where climatic conditions support forest cover, while other regions where moderate conditions are more suitable for grasslands. In this chapter, you will study about temperate grasslands that extend in the mid-latitude between 40 degrees to 55 degrees in both the northern and southern hemispheres. The prairies. The prairies lie both in USA and Canada. The French word prairie means a meadow or grassland. This gently sloping hilly land stretches from the west of the Mississippi River to the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. The Canadian prairies cover the provinces of Alberta, Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and Ontario. In USA, the prairie extends over the states of North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Nebraska, and Iowa. Climate. The summer season is fairly warm and the winter season is cold. The northern part is open to the cold polar wind. Thus, the winter temperature falls below the freezing point. The average annual rainfall is about 50 centimeters. Rainfall mostly occurs during the summer season. Vegetation and wildlife. Grasses are the main vegetation found in the prairies. They are dependent on rainfall during the growing season as the shallow roots cannot reach groundwater. The entire region is a treeless plain, but in the river valleys or where water is available, trees such as poplars and willows grow. The prairie dog of central USA is a popular animal. Other important animals found in this region are rabbits, coyotes, and gophers. People and their occupation. Agriculture is the main occupation in the prairies. The natural environment favors the cultivation of a large variety of crops such as corn, wheat, oats, barley, rye, and oilseed. Wheat is the most important crop. Wheat farms in the prairies are very large, about 1,000 hectares. Agriculture is highly extensive and mechanized. Most of the work on the farms, such as plowing, seeding, harvesting, threshing, and packing, is done with the help of machines. The farm is managed by the farmer and his family. There is a good network of roads and rail lines here. Railways are required to transport farm products to the consuming centers and the port towns. The Veld. The Velds are located in South Africa. The country lies at the southern tip of Africa. It is bordered on the northeast by Swaziland and Mozambique, on the north by Botswana and Zimbabwe, and in the northwest by Namibia. The Veld is bound by the Drakensberg Mountains on the east and the Kalahari Desert on the west. A range of hills called the Witwatersrand runs across the Veld. The Orange and Limpopo rivers, along with their tributaries, drain the region. Climate. South Africa experiences moderate climate. This is due to the altitude of the plateau, the presence of oceans on three sides, and the cold Benguela current which flows along the west coast. Winters are cold and dry, while summers are short and warm. Vegetation and wildlife. A major part of the plateau is covered with grass. Red grass grows in the bush veld. Acacia and marula grow in the high veld. There are limited forests in this region due to semi-arid climatic conditions. The main animals found in the veld are lions, leopards, cheetahs, and kudus. People and their occupation. Both tall and short grasses and bushes are the main vegetation in the veld. Trees are only found on the higher altitudes and along the banks of rivers. The soil is not fertile. Thus, the veld is more suitable for cattle rearing than for the cultivation of crop. The grasslands provide suitable conditions for cattle and sheep rearing. Cattle are reared in the warmer and wetter eastern part. They are reared for milk and meat. Creameries make butter and cheese for domestic needs as well as for export. Some farmers cultivate crops and rear animals on the same farm. The main cultivated crops are maize, wheat, barley, oat, tobacco, sugarcane, cotton, and potatoes. Frozen meat and beef are mainly exported to the countries of southern Europe. Main occupation of people in velds is sheep rearing. Sheep are reared for the production of wool. The sheep are of fine quality and consist mainly of the merino breed. The Angora goats yield mohair and leather. South Africa is the largest producer of mohair in the world. Many important minerals are also found in the veld. Gold is found in Witwatersrand. The mining of gold and diamonds have attracted the Europeans to South Africa.